Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? So today we're going to do a gel polish tutorial. So if you want to know how I went from this to that, then make sure to stay and watch until the end. So I start with this ceramic bead to remove my old gel polish. I connect it to the drill and I make sure that there is enough space between the drill and the bead itself. So I just adjust the speed for the drill. I'm using my all-time favorite dust collector to make sure that I have a clean environment, and I start to remove the old gel polish. After I removed all the gel polish, I start with my manicure, and this is my flame bead. So again, I make sure that there is enough space between the bead itself and the drill. I start by going between the cuticle and the nail, very gentle, not too harsh, so you won't harm your nail bed or your cuticle. Now when the cuticle is separated from the nail, I start to cut it off with the cuticle nipper. After I cut off all the cuticles, I use a diamond ball bead to clean any remaining skin. Then I take a smaller ball bead to go really in between the cuticle and the nail, so I make sure that everything's clean and smooth. I take a 100 on 180 file for filing my desired shape. It has a lighter side and a more thick and coarser side. I use that one to file it down so it will be easier. Measuring my nails to make sure they're even. Now I take a cuticle pusher and start to push back the cuticles. Now I used this nail buffer to buff the nail surface so the gel could stick better to it. Making sure I buff all the nail surface. I dust off the nails and take a lint-free wipe with alcohol and clean it up, and making sure there is no dust on the nails before we start the gel application. This is how it should look like. Then I use a primer so that the nails can hold onto the gel better. This primer is from Israel, so unfortunately it's not available on the internet, but I will link down below a good primer that you can buy. Using my all-time favorite KOMILFO rubber base. After applying the base coat, I pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds. Doing the same thing with the other hand and pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds as well. I'm using one of my favorite colors. It's Russian Navy by O.P.I, and it's a dark blue color with a shimmer. And I start to mix it up a little bit between my hands so it will be even. Always make sure to close off at the end so it won't chip off. And pop it into the light for 60 seconds. Going in with my second coat, making sure to close off at the ends. And pop it into the light for 60 seconds. After applying 2 coats of color, I use my all-time favorite camouflage top coat. It's also linked down below. Curing for 60 seconds again in the light and going on to the other hand. After I finished, I neutralized with a lint-free wipe with alcohol, and now I'm just using my cuticle oil and massaging it into the skin between the nails. And there you have it, my dark blue winter nails with Russian Navy by O.P.I. I love this color for the winter so much. By the way, if you didn't know, I was a nail tech, so I love to do nails so much. I love nail art and doing them to myself. Guys, thank you so much for watching my gel polish routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. Hope you have a great day, great evening and great night. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.